Okay, what we got here is a Buck USA lock blade knife. Somebody did a terrible job on the blade of trying to reshaping it. I'm gonna try to reshape the blade and reshape the edge and try to get these scuff marks off. But it's a good little knife. It's pretty old. Would say 90s, I think it is. But I can't find a model number on it. I'll have to try to research this. Now I gotta put the edge back on it. Here she is. I even put a leather lanyard on it. It cleaned up good. It's been used and abused, but it's still a great knife. The blade is solid, but you can tell the blade turned out good. I reshaped it, gave it a nice new point. It's good and thick. Gave it a good edge, as you can see in the light there. Sharp as a razor. Good lock blade. And I did find out the year and model. It's a Buck 180, and that slash behind the 180 means it was made in 1993. But as you can tell, it's a good knife.